Wake up, girls. Hey, Tally, Charity, Renee. We're going to Grand Canyon. All right, Panguitch has been fun, but we're ready to move on to the next adventure. Next stop, well, probably a potty stop, and then Grand Canyon.
You guys get spoons?
I think so.
You need a spoon still, Renee?
I already got one.
We moved away from Arizona when I was only 1 year old. So I was still basically a baby.
Pocket map. Parkour. Parkour. Oh, that is cute. So cute. Oh wait, it's big?
It's real big.
I'm surprised. What do you think of that, Levi? What? It's cool? Would you like to hike across it? Like hike down and then all the way to the other edge? Yeah, let's do it. We could just go ahead. We could just go ahead and do that right now, right? We're not gonna do that. That would be crazy.
What are we gonna hike?
We'll walk a little bit. I don't think it'll be really a hike. It'll be a walk.
I wanna look down, but I'm afraid my glasses are just gonna.
We have about an hour and a half before we can check into our Airbnb, and everybody is hungry, so we are going to stop and get food. We decided to try some Mexican. Oh, they're cool. Look at that cool lizard. Lizard wizard. Oh, it's little Flick.
Huh?
It's Flick from Bug's Life, it looks like. How was your lunch?
Delicious.
Delicious. We got an apartment this time. Gotta find it and then get in the pool. My hair is insane after swimming and showering, and the wind is blowing and the sun is going down. It's beautiful out here. It's gorgeous. So we are at St. George. We got to our Airbnb. It's pretty tiny. It's just a little bitty 1-bedroom apartment basically. So the kids are finding places to sleep. Tally is sleeping on the floor of the kitchen because there's not a lot of room. But it'll be fine. It's just one night. We're leaving early for a long drive tomorrow. I hope that wind is not too loud. It is pretty windy, but I wanted to get out and get some movement, especially before we drive for 11 hours tomorrow. We're driving all the way to California. We had trouble finding a place to stay at this part of California. California is just expensive, and so we ended up renting an RV, like Airbnb RV, on a horse farm. So that's going to be exciting, and apparently it's big. It sleeps, I think it said it sleeps 7. So we'll make it work. It's going to be another like quick night and then off to the next place. But it's a long drive tomorrow. So we're gearing up for that, but at least the kids got to swim a little bit tonight. And I'm just going to get my steps in and watch the sunset and try to get some sleep. We have been driving all day. I think we've driven we've driven like 8 hours so far. We're gonna have driven 11 total, but we decided to take a stop off, hair in my face, take a stop off at Lake Tahoe. So we made it all the way across Nevada. We dipped down into Arizona again, went all the way across Nevada, and we are into California now, just over the border into California at Lake Tahoe. So we felt like we were just going through the middle of nowhere for a really long time. And now we're in swanky Lake Tahoe. We got to have lunch at Whole Foods. I got the most amazing salad after eating lots of meat sticks and perfect keto bars and keto chow for the last couple of days. It was super nice to get a good meal, like a fresh hot meal at Whole Foods. Well, it was fresh. Part of it was fresh salad. Part of it was hot. I got like a tiki masala chicken. It's really good. So anyways, we don't want to go through Sacramento right during rush hour. So we decided we'd stop off at Lake Tahoe and check it out. Never been here before. So we're going to spend some time here and then head on to our Airbnb. We have about 3 more hours of driving before we get there this evening. Warm?
Nope. Quite cold.
How is it, Tal?
Here comes this boat to land.
It's cold.
Very cold.
Yeah, I mean.
Who's going to get out the farthest?
Snowy.
Oh, yeah. Look at the snow over there.
It is a cold boat.
This is snow water.
Yeah.
What do you think of the lake?
Watch
It's
this boat.
cold and cool.
Cold. Oh, I love the different colors of blue out there. I don't know if the video picks it up, but there's real distinct, different blue colors.
There are 4.
4.
There's like brown, green, light blue, dark blue.
Yeah, and the dark blue is like this amazing dark teal color. Woo! It is gorgeous. This is our home for the night. It's a very big trailer. There's bunk beds, and then there's another bed in here. And the air conditioner we've got pumping because it's pretty warm in here. But I think it'll do. It'll do us for one night.
These bridges are under a lot of scrutiny. Get inspected all the time, so we won't have to really worry that much.
It's a big island.
Changing tires prohibited.
Hey, we're about to go over the Golden Gate Bridge.
Kids, look.
Look.
Take pictures if you want pictures. It's one of the most famous bridges in the world. The Pacific Ocean's out there. San Francisco Bay is over there.
Fisherman's Wharf. We found it.
They have like
Yeah, double-decker bus.
double-decker buses.
Yep.
Look at that.
That looks so fun.
What do you think, Renee?
They're awesome, and I love them. They're so cute.
Cute and stinky. Do we need a prison
I
uniform?
think I'm being hypnotized. Oh, life is like a box of chocolates.
Oh my
You
goodness.
never know what you're gonna get. Why are there carrots and
I
peanuts?
don't know. Peas and carrots went together like peas and carrots.
Oh yeah.
Those look like comfortable shoes.
Hold on.
They are like great suit.
All right.
I'm Forrest. Forrest Gump.
Okay, next.
Forrest Gump.
No smiling. We're still
No smiling.
Stop. Look angry. Imagine looking angry.
He never looks angry.
But she has to
He
look
just
angry.
looks bored.
It's not smiling.
Before there was Snapchat filters, there was funny mirrors. You look so goofy. Talia is beating Jeff so bad. This one what?
It's the one that I shoot the castle down.
Oh, okay, I'll look at it. I know, they're like succulent roses.
Look at that one.
Goodness sakes.
That was my favorite.
They're so beautiful.
I want it.
Next stop, Ghirardelli's.
Yeah, I know.
Little chocolate.
What?
We have to lick it and find out.
I bet it's water running over brown.
Maybe. It looks crazy though. Oh yeah. Ooh, we gotta sit in the cable car.
No hands.
so much. Look at the cute little minis.
Oh,
We're about to take off and leave San Francisco, but we're up here getting a nice view before we do. It is beautiful. And the weather has been amazing. It's been like high as 70 today. Just perfect. That one is too fast.
Oh, Tea Tree Grove.
Look at that tree. That's so cool.
Wow, those are crazy.
Those are crazy awesome.
Are they really tea trees? That's amazing. I've never seen a tea tree, as far as I know.
Tea tree's my new favorite tree.
Oh, there goes the cable car.
wow. I want to ride on one of those.
Well, we were in one at the Ghirardelli shop.
Yeah.
We made it to Redwood State Park, and we're taking our first little walk to Big Tree. Apparently there's trees here that are big. Maybe just one, because we're gonna go see it. It's Big Tree.
You know,
Cal?
like that's not the one.
Yeah,
There.
like
That one.
those.
That one's not big.
Those, you know,
That one is
not
gigantic.
big. Okay, just look at this one. That's 3 trees. Wow, and that's not Big Tree.
That's not.
That's not Big Tree.
No, this is like dang.
Go stand next to it. Oh my gosh. That's not Big Tree.
No, this is not big tree. This is tiny tree.
You could have a giant's hammock
Yes.
strung between these trees. That would be awesome.
Up in the canopy. Yeah.
We're an old grandma.
You're funny.
I'm a grandpa.
Your grandpa?
So yeah.
Old grandpa. Old grandpa.
Old Grandpa Levi.
I don't like to do that.
There it is.
Hey, Austin's at it.
Oh my gosh.
In the middle of the fence.
The big, no, not in front of the sign.
What? Yeah, that's
Just next to the sign. Okay, that's good. Yeah, smile.
Photo shoot. 23.7 feet diameter.
Our old house
my
was
goodness.
24 feet from front wall to back wall.
What? We found corkscrew tree. Oh man.
And grow together up there.
What? And so it's just one up there, but it's multiple down here.
They're kind of two. They would have 2 centers growing still, but they're really well fused up there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
wow.
Like back here.
Wow.
You know my camera
Your face inside of it.
We're inside a tree.
Okay, open your window.
I touched it. I touched the tree. I didn't. I touched the tree.
Good job. And we drove
I touched
through
the tree.
Crazy thing is that tree's still alive.
Yeah, that is crazy. I gotta say hi to Paul Bunyan. And what's the ox's name? Just Blue?
Babe.
Oh, Babe?
Babe the blue ox.
Oh, okay. Are you ready to go on the bridges, Renee?
Yeah.
Up in the trees?
There you go. Let one just
Smile.
And it said no passing each other on the
Yep.
bridges.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Oh, wow. What do you think, Charity?
Wiggly.
Something like that. It won't be this high though. Are you scared? I'm a little scared.
No running, no jumping,
And no smoking.
and no smoking. I was worried about Levi on the running and jumping, not on the smoking quite so much. Next stop, the gondola.
Step out the top, come back out whenever you're ready.
Ah, step in, quick, quick!
What if somebody was left behind?
Good, we can all
Thank
fit
you.
in.
What if somebody was left behind?
Levi.
I'm gonna be left behind.
We're gonna go way up the hill. Maybe we'll be able to see the top of Brother Tree or something.
Oh, maybe.
The
The top? Do you think they'll take us to the top?
No, like we'll be able to see it. Like, is that it up there, maybe?
I'm going
I think that is.
Everyone's
Yeah.
going faster.
So cool.
Made it to the top.
Did we just ride it? I guess we hang it up here.
Yeah, he said stay as long as you want and then hop
Okay.
back on when you're ready.
Observation deck.
Imagine going
Door's
down.
gonna open for us. Yeah.
There is a
Not
path.
ready
You
yet.
can walk.
There is a path.
There was a path
But that was a
zigzagging
long
down.
walk.
Start
Go, Renee,
spinning.
go.
Bigfoot tracks. We found them.
Oh, that's so awesome.
Yeah.
So cool.
We should have brought lunch.
Trees are so cool. Look at that.
Mosquito! Run, Charity!
That's to scale. Paul's girlfriend. Vlogger's dream.
Wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna cut down on my coffee and just go to one coffee a day. Just one coffee a day. Decided to stop and have lunch at the beach. This beach is pretty nice. Somebody spent a lot of time making these structures with the driftwood. Levi might make his own structure here.
That's a big one.
The last 2 days of our trip we spent at some friend's house at the beach. We had a great time enjoying the Oregon coast, and then we made our final trek back home. We actually picked up Izzy on the way home and shoved her in even though the car was full, but she was so happy to see us. Well, she was happy to see us, but then she was the happiest when we got home. And of course, we were all very happy when we got home. We all decided we had an amazing trip. We saw so many fun things, got to visit with so many amazing people, but there is no place like home, and we are happy to be back.